Hello everyone, welcome to Autom Packaging Machinery. Today it's my honor to introduce you this customized packing solution for you. Why it's customized? Because it's customized for packing 500 grams oat powder on this ATM 320C, economical, multifunctional, and easy to operate. It is also designed the nitrogen gas filling device here. Okay, let me run this machine to show you how it works. Look at this part. It is the touchscreen control system. Let's choose English first. Let's run the machine. Stop the machine first. Let's check the finish pack. The end sealing of the bag, the vertical sealing of the bag. Here is the printing information. Inside we fill the gas. The end sealing of the bag, the vertical sealing of the bag, printing information, gas inside the bag. If you are interested in this customized packing solution, please find us at this website or WhatsApp. Thanks for watching my video today. Bye.